How AI will control video games and humans. AI will control video games because they can quickly and accurately process large amounts of data quickly and accurately. This means that they will be able to make decisions in-game faster than human players and will be able to take advantage of human players who could be better at making split-second decisions. AI can also control video games because they can learn from their mistakes. They will be able to learn from the mistakes that they make in-game and will be able to improve their playstyle over time. This means that they will eventually be able to beat human players who could be better at learning from their mistakes. They will be able to share information with other AI players and will be able to cooperate with them to win games. This means that AI players can form strategies and plan that human players will not be able to come up with. So, how will it control video games and humans too? Let's dig into the video to know more about it. Here we begin. AI is a process of programming a computer to make decisions for itself. This can be done through several methods, but the most common is artificial neural networks. These networks are designed to mimic how the human brain works, and they can learn and improve over time. AI is already being used in several video games, and likely its use will only increase in the future. AI can be used to control non-player characters, create dynamic and believable worlds, and provide challenging opponents for players. Benefits of using AI in video games. There are several benefits to using AI in video games. It can create more believable and lifelike worlds and provide a more challenging and rewarding gaming experience. However, there are also some potential risks. If not used correctly, AI can make games too easy or too difficult, and it can also create game worlds that are boring or repetitive. It can help to improve the overall gaming experience for the player. This is because AI can be used to create more realistic and believable in-game characters, making the game more immersive and enjoyable. In addition, AI can also be used to create more challenging opponents for the player to face, which can help to keep the players engaged and motivated. Finally, AI can also help to improve the overall quality of the game by ensuring that all the game's systems work together seamlessly. Overall, AI is a powerful tool that can be used to improve video games. Used correctly, it can create more believable worlds, provide more challenging gameplay, and make games more enjoyable. The disadvantages of AI control video games. AI controlling video games have several disadvantages. One disadvantage is that AI can be biased. This means that the AI might make decisions that are not in the game's best interest of the players. For example, the AI might make certain items more difficult to obtain or make it harder for players to progress in the game. This can make the game less fun and less enjoyable for players. Another disadvantage of AI controlling video games is that AI can be glitchy. This means that the AI might make mistakes that cause the game to malfunction or behave unexpectedly. This can be frustrating for players and can make the game less enjoyable. Finally, controlling video games can be expensive. This is because the AI needs to be constantly updated and maintained to work properly. This can make the game more expensive to produce and can make it more difficult for players to afford to play the game. The future of AI and video games. The future of artificial intelligence in video games is an exciting and uncertain one. On the one hand, AI has the potential to revolutionize the gaming experience, making games more realistic and immersive than ever before. But on the other hand, there is a risk that AI could make game too easy or even take away the player's control entirely. AI is already being used in some video games to create realistic and believable characters. For example, the game Watch Dogs uses an AI system called Profiler to create NPCs that act and react realistically to the player's actions. This makes the game world feel more alive and believable. In the future, AI could be used to create even more realistic and believable characters. For example, AI could be used to create NPCs that have their own unique personalities, backstories, and goals. This would make the game world feel even more alive and believable. Additionally, AI could be used to create NPCs that react realistically to the player's choices and actions. This would make games even more immersive and replayable. So in the end, AI will control video games because they have many advantages over human players. They can make better decisions, learn from their mistakes, and communicate with other AI players to form better strategies. That's it for today's video, and yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.